My name is Dr. Ravi Ratan. I represent a company called Aromatantra from India, and we are manufacturing aromatherapy oils and products for skin care, hair care, health care, wellness, and chakra oils. These are the chakra oils, the skin care oils, and the hair care. These are the blends with Ayurveda and aromatherapy combined, and the pain relief oil which has released pain and moved the lymph in the body. And then we have a slimming oil which also works to detoxify the body by clearing lymphatic system. Then the body oil. Then we have a very good aura cleanser. Aura cleanser clears negative energies. It's a blend of tulsi, holy basil, rosemary, frankincense, sage and cinnamon. So it clears negative energy from your space. You can also vaporize it to cleanse the energies at home. You can also put few drops in drinking water. It boosts your immune system, especially when you have nasal allergy, throat allergies, and your throat is hurting. Then we have another oil, Protect. Protect is also very good for sinuses. When you have sinus congestion, you put a drop on your fingertip, rub it under your nose, or put a few drops on your tissue and do it. It's amazing. Then we have the wellness oils. Wellness oils are having healer. Healer is the best antiseptic, antibacterial oil. Then we have an Aroma Digest. Aroma Digest is good for digestive issues, especially if you're feeling bloating. You put a drop after meals in your belly, rub it on your belly, it clears the bloating right away. I've been in the field of aromatherapy for the last 25 years. Yeah, I got into it from perfumery to aromatherapy. It's a journey, but then I worked on essential oils. I studied essential oil and got my doctorate on aromatherapy. I have my book on aromatherapy. This is my book, and that's my book on chakras also. From perfumery to aromatherapy, it's a journey, but then we grew up in aromatherapy, and then we got into chakras and chakra healing, because essential oils are the best tools for chakra healing. We have our blends for chakras which are based on the elements associated with the chakras, and they work great.